Hi guys. Today, we are going to have a quick review of this one of the Tamiya limited kit. This special edition mini 4-wheel drive racer celebrates the year 2006's Year of the Dog according to the Eastern signs of the Zodiac. This machine features a black Type 1 chassis and orange Fox Jr. body with yellow wheels and basic slick tires. With the cute fully painted canine driver. It is also equipped with yellow wheels and basic slick tires. Let's check out the chassis. This kit is equipped with Type 1 chassis, which is usually designed for off-road buggies. It is made up of black ABS plastic, battery support and gearbox. Type 1 is the very first chassis in the Mini 4-wheel drive series and it was later redesigned into the Type 3 chassis. Let's proceed to body. Its body design is from Orange Fox Jr. orange body, with driver body and canine head attached in the box, and made up of ABS plastic. I think its gear is composed of 11:2:1 combination. With 60mm hexagonal shaft. Type 1 gold terminal. Type 1 propeller shaft. Stock single shaft motor. The body sticker is the old type sticker by Tamiya. The Year of the Dog 2006 are printed at the spoiler. Combinations of red, orange, yellow and blue. ABS plastic assembly dog head are attached to the box. This item is pre-owned but never used. That's why the box is damaged and lot of fade and dents. I've tried to look for this kit with good packaging but most of this item's box is damaged. This is Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive item number 94560 limited edition kit and also a rare item at this time. Since 1999, Tamiya has been producing Mini 4-wheel drive cars with an Asian lunar calendar theme. This item is discontinued product by Tamiya. This special edition Mini 4-wheel drive racer celebrates the year 2006's Year of the Dog according to the Eastern signs of the Zodiac. It was released last December year 2005. Machine features a black Type 1 chassis and orange Fox Jr. Body with yellow wheels and basic slick tires. The cute canine driver is fully painted. That's all for now. Kindly check my other videos and please don't forget to click subscribe and bell button for some video update on my channels. Hope you enjoy watching. Thank you so much.